It's time to make some Nashville hot chicken with bowl and basket. But we're doing it my way, smoking it on the grill. I've seen everyone making the same Nashville hot chicken. Now it's my turn. Bowl and Basket is a collection of thoughtfully crafted food and delicious ingredients created by the ShopRite brand you trust. Some Bowl and Basket fresh chicken, tiny bit of olive oil, and that Nashville hot seasoning. Set the grill at 300 and slap it on. After an hour in direct, that is some Nashville hot grilled chicken. But we're not done yet. Stay with me. Couple sticks of butter, your favorite hot sauce. And then we add a couple tablespoons of honey and some more of that Bowl and Basket Nashville hot seasoning. Whisk it up and let it cook down a little bit, and I promise I just put you onto something new. And that is how you do Nashville hot chicken my way, with Bowl and Basket. I cannot wait to share this incredible recipe with Bowl and Basket Jumbo Raw Shrimp. Let's go. You're about to experience the best coconut shrimp with Bowl and Basket. Three-step process here. We have our Bowl and Basket flour, eggs, and coconut flakes mixed with some panko. To add a little kick, I'm using this Bowl and Basket chili lime seasoning. Our jumbo raw shrimp, and we go ahead and get to layering these flavors. We start with a light dredge in the flour, dip into the egg, and then that panko coconut mix. Bowl and Basket is a collection of thoughtfully crafted food and delicious ingredients brought to you by the ShopRite brand you trust. We bring our vegetable oil up to about 350, 375, and we get to dip it. These shrimp will cook fast in only a couple minutes, and let them go until you get that beautiful, crispy, golden brown color like this. Why go out and order it at a restaurant when you make it even better at home with Bowl and Basket chili lime coconut shrimp?